Good evening, sir. This is my Lab 4 demo try 2. I made some slight adjustments and everything's working exceptionally well now. One problem is the lines up there, but I was in the lab earlier and it's because the TV's weird. It's different dimensions. But anyway, last time I didn't have a noise, but now I have a noise that hopefully you can hear. It's not too annoying. As the amplitude gets smaller, the noise is quieter, so you won't be able to hear it. But I can press my buttons, decrease the amplitude, increase the amplitude, get my noise again. I can also mess with the frequency by pressing the buttons. And I got points for it, but it's easier to see here. I also have the normal, the normal signal and the interpolated signal. So I'm trying to get, as you can see there. So, yep. Hopefully I can get those points back.